If you run payroll in Australia, you've probably already heard of STP or Single Touch Payroll. And while it sounds intimidating, the good news is most modern payroll software makes it pretty seamless. So here's how it works. Whenever you run your payroll in software like Xero, MYOB, QuickBooks or KeyPay, there's an option at the end of the pay run to submit via STP. What that actually does is send the salary, wages, PAYG withholdings, and superannuation data directly to the ATO automatically. At the same time, you also pay your team. Now, to manage this properly, there are a few things to keep in mind. First, you need to make sure your payroll software is STP enabled and connected to the ATO. Usually, this is a one-time setup in your software settings. Second, you're going to have to double check your employee records, so the ATO requires details like TFNs, addresses, and super info to be correct. Otherwise, submissions can get rejected. Then thirdly, whenever you finalize a pay run, don't skip the STP step. It only takes a couple of clicks, but it's what keeps you compliant. And here's something a lot of people don't realize. At the end of the financial year, you don't need to issue traditional page summaries anymore. STP reporting replaces that. Instead, employees simply just log into their MyGov account and see their income statement already there, thanks to your submissions. So in short, once you've set it up, managing STP is really just about making sure your payroll is accurate and submitting each run. The software literally does all the heavy lifting and the ATO gets everything in real time. So if this helped you clear up STP reporting, go ahead and hit like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments if there are any other payroll topics you'd like me to cover. Anyways, stay safe.